How to create a post on Reddit. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a post on Reddit easy and fast in less than 1 minute. All what you have to do, go to reddit.com, and now this is the home page as you can see right here. All what you have to do to create a post is go to this icon right here of create post, and as you can see now you can write the title, the text, and you can add image right here or link or a poll. It's very easy actually, and after you finish, click post. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.